Used to be called the building survey. This is for an older property, a bigger property, more expensive property. No lender valuation, that's not included at all. A thorough condition of the property, no insurance value, and the claim for negligence, yes, prepared for the client. Now here's the trick with the building survey, and this is done on older properties. If you want the mortgage valuation done as well, you have to have one separately done. The lender needs to have one done. But often what they'll do is they'll actually conduct your survey, but at the same time do the mortgage valuation for no extra cost. If they're on the panel of the lender, if they've been approved by the lender, they'll be able to do a mortgage valuation for free. Unlike the previous one, which includes it automatically. So that's a good point to make, isn't it? Now the last one, as you may come across, it may not, depends if you live north of the border, is the Scottish Home Report. Now the Scottish Home Report is very useful. It's not a lender valuation, but it's a very detailed condition of the property. No insurance value, yes on the claim for negligence, and prepared for the vendor. That's the difference there. The seller in Scotland has to prepare this report and give it to all interested parties. So what does it cover? So there's the whole thing there for you. Here's a little overview of what's included in a home report. The Scottish Home Report. Let's just zoom in so we can see that. First of all, you get your energy performance certificate stating the energy efficiency of a building. Have a look at those in a second for you. Different ratings, very similar to England and Wales. Then you get your single survey. This is the detailed report on the condition and value of the property. It intends to provide both the seller and the buyer information regarding the property's value and condition before offers are submitted. That's the whole point. A purchaser can look at this report, it doesn't cost them anything, and make the offer based upon what they see in the report. So it's a really good idea, saves a lot of time. It also has a property questionnaire completed by the seller and their agent, useful information, council tax bands, length of ownership, parking facilities and more. The kind of things that the lawyer would take care of during the long period before exchange of contracts in England and Wales. So it's a very good report, that one. Here's a screenshot of the energy efficiency ratings, which you've come across these before. You have to have these done in England and Wales as well. Energy efficiency report of the property. Obviously we want to have more and more properties up there on the green, as you can see, A, B's and C's, because that's what the world requires, as you can appreciate. So there you have all the different reports. They've just changed the names. They're now called RICS Level 1, 2 and 3. In the exam, of course, you'll need to know what they are. Hopefully, maybe the old name might remind you of what they used to do. And that gives you a good update on what valuations and surveys do. Not much, but that's been useful.